Hi everyone! We as DeFriesens have received an exciting invitation. We have been given the opportunity to join a Sail and Sing Plotich ocean cruise as one of the featured artists, with Paraguayan harpist Edward Clausen and several other music groups. The good news is that you are all invited too. We would love to have you join us and the over 500 people who have already signed up in February of 2027 for a one-of-a-kind experience. Sail the seas and take in the sights of God's beautiful creation. Meet and fellowship with Mennonites from all over the world. You can bring your family and enjoy a resort-like holiday on the ship. Take in inspirational and solid biblical teaching, wholesome children's entertainment, and of course, good gospel music in Plotich. If you're looking for a vacation that can give you physical rest, as well as spiritual refreshment that is good for the soul, this just might be the perfect fit. We hope to see you there. The cruise takes place from February 7 to 14th, 2027, and departs from Galveston, Texas. For 7 nights, it will sail the Caribbean with 3 stops along the way, where you are free to step off the ship and explore on your own, or join an optional excursion organized by Sail and Sing. We will be sailing on the Symphony of the Seas, one of the largest cruise ships in the world. This also means there is lots to do while we sail to our different destinations. Throughout the cruise, Sail and Sing will have dedicated programs for Low German cruisers, including music, testimonials, entertainment, and guest speakers. There will also be lots of time for visiting, making new friends, and encouraging each other in our walk with God. We will be joining several other groups and speakers on this trip, including Adorios from Sommerfeld, Paraguay, Simply Gospel from Orange Walk, Belize, Ryan and Friends from Pennsylvania, US, Edward and Christine Clausen from Ontario, Canada, Jacob and Irma Friesen from Cuauhtemoc, Mexico, Pastor David and Eva Weeb from Chihuahua, Mexico, and Pastor Juanito Wolf from Colony, Manitoba, Mexico. Along with these programs, the ship is full of exciting activities. Relax in a spa, go shopping at various stores on the ship, enjoy performances and live music in the main theater, watch ice skating shows, zip lining, surf simulator, a library, cupcake classes, pools, sunbathing, outdoor movie nights on the top deck, rock climbing, and much, much more. Enjoy all-you-can-eat buffet and other complimentary dining places like coffee shops and pizza, as well as complimentary meals in the main dining room. Room service and specialty restaurants are also available. On February 7th, we arrive at the dock at Texas and board the ship, leaving the dock at 4:30 p.m. Boarding takes place from 11:30 a.m. to 2 p.m. For the next several days, we will be sailing across the Caribbean, as well as enjoying the Low German programming and onboard activities. On February 10th, we arrive at Puerto Costa Maya, Mexico. Spend the day on the beach, enjoy some local restaurants, or sign up for Sail and Sing's optional excursion. This will take you on a drive into the rainforest to the Mayan ruins of Chachobin and learn about the Mayan history, architecture, and enjoy the beauty of God's tropical creation. We spend the night sailing, and on February 11th, we arrive at our next stop, Roatan, Honduras. Known for its coral reefs and beautiful water, enjoy local shopping, the beach, or the Roatan Marine Park. Sail and Sing's optional excursion will guide you through an island tour with beautiful scenic photo stops, chocolate factory tasting, and a visit to the Sloth and Monkey Sanctuary. Following another night of cruising, we arrive at the 3rd stop on February 12th, Cozumel, Mexico. Snorkel in the famous Palanca Reef, or enjoy the beach, local shopping, and more. Sail and Sing's optional excursion takes you on a guided tour through San Miguel and downtown Cozumel, with stops at the historic Clock Tower, San Jose del Mar Church, the Corpus Christi Cathedral, and more. After 3 days of sightseeing and local adventures, we spend 2 nights and a day sailing back to Galveston, returning on February 14th to disembark. We arrive at 7 a.m., and if you are flying back home afterwards, Sail and Sing recommends not booking return flights any earlier than 12 p.m. on the 14th, to ensure you have time to disembark and find your way to the airport on time. At the time of filming, pricing for inside rooms is $13.99 per person, $18.99 per person for ocean view rooms, and $19.99 per person for balcony rooms. in US dollars, all based on double occupancy. For more information and updated pricing on rooms, please visit our website at defreezens.org/cruise2027. You can find the link in the video description. There you will also find a downloadable copy of the sign-up form. A deposit of $250 USD is also required when you submit the sign-up form. If you would like help with signing up, have any questions, or need assistance in any way, please reach out to us via the contact information on screen or in the link below.